topic will be on black magic. Why I chose this topic is because I wanted to use this word magic in my entire conversation. And it's one's belief which can take you to a lower level or an upper level. Today, if you see, people come from different walks of life. One believes in one thing, the other one believes in one thing. Okay? If a black cat crossed the road, some people believe you should not cross that. Right? So, some people say, okay, death happened in their family, we should not eat food in that house. So, it's a belief. It's one's belief which you have, which is positive or negative. I always feel that these are all negative thoughts and you should take it to the positive thought. So today, my topic will be revolving around black magic. Do you believe in black magic?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
But in the olden times, if you talk to your grandfathers or older people, generation, they say yes, black magic is there. Because I'm a person born and brought up in Bangalore, but my roots are from Kerala. Whenever I used to go back to my native place, they used to say, you should not go to that place, you should not go to this place. I used to ask so many questions because I was so inquisitive. My grandmother was like hell-bent upon telling, you should not do that, you should not do this, as a lady you are not supposed to do this. So I used to find out what is the reason behind not doing certain things and why they do it. What is black magic? Black magic is nothing but, you want to control somebody. You want to take the concurrence of that person or you want to acquire that person. But that person is not with you. So you do some sort of negative energy on that person and try to pull that person towards you. That is black magic. So, if you feel like somebody has done black magic to you, you should analyze whether it is right or wrong. It is the belief which can take you further. It is not the black magic which will take you further. Okay? So, you analyze yourself. Number 2 is today, for a scenario if I take up, okay? If I want to, hamper you, do something bad to you, I need not do anything directly. Okay? What I can do is, in front of our house, go put some skulls and bones and some, wormelons or any flowers. And early morning, if she opens the door, what happens to her? What happens to her? She will go crazy, I tell you. Because we have observed all these in TVs and everything, right? You will say, oh, somebody has done something to me. Something is going to happen to me. Something negative is going to happen to me. So your mind will start working in such a way that you'll think, oh my God, I will fall sick, my business will go wrong, some people will hate me. Those thought process is always psychological. Nobody has done anything to you. But the symbolism which depicts telling that somebody has done to you will always put you down. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. This is the psychological feeling anybody can have. That is the belief you will have. That will lead to what? Positivity or negativity?
Negativity.
Negativity. What happens then? What happens then? You will go down. Why? Because you will feel that your mind will revolve around that and you will fall sick, or you will not concentrate on your job, or you will not concentrate on your business or family. Fight will be there, loss of business will be there, and you will go down the drains. So, never believe in what you see, but always have a thought process in mind that I am positive and I'll be always positive. Right?
Yes.
That will lead to success. My story is believe in positive things and lead to success. Thank you.